welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so happy you found me today. I am super pumped, super excited about today's video. It is our first episode of Water Buddies. And what the heck is Water Buddies? It's going to be our weekly show about drinking water, what the body needs, tips and tricks to get you to actually drink water, reviewing water bottles, water filtration systems, and all sorts of information. I've also created a special Facebook group, Water Buddies, to go along with this weekly series. So I hope you'll head over to Facebook and join that group after we're done here. The link is below. To create a video series and a group to offer support, because every year I know tons of people that make resolutions or set goals to drink more water, and by mid-January to late January that is kind of gone, because honestly, let's face it, it doesn't taste very good, or it doesn't taste, so we don't like it. It doesn't fulfill, like a Coke might fulfill that need for a sweet caffeine or something. And a tea, has that comfort, or coffee for waking up or warming up. So everything has a good feel to it, and water just does not. So I thought maybe doing a weekly series and having a group would give everybody the support they need. And in the group, you'll be able to share with each other, ask for, help, tips, tricks. And on here, I will be offering a bunch of different tips and tricks, and like I said, I'll be reviewing water bottles, filtration systems, and much, much more. So I've been doing some research, and I want to lead a healthy lifestyle. That's what my channel is about. So I made up a flyer about the 4 things that go into a healthy lifestyle, which is exercise, drinking enough water, getting enough rest, and eating, basically healthy. And as I was doing the research, I found out from the Mayo Clinic's website that men need 15.5 cups or 3.7 liters of fluids a day, and a woman needs 11.5 cups or 2.7 liters of fluid a day. And that the 8 glasses a day is a great number. It's a great reminder. Everybody knows it. So they said just go with that. And there's that. But what I didn't know is we get 20% of our fluid needs from our food. And then the 80% comes from liquids. So the series is going to help us make sure we stay on track to get as much water as we need. I would go over some simple containers at home that you may have that you could start using and not cost you any money. And of course, you can always use a kid's water bottle. If you have a cup with a straw and a lid, that's always great. Or if you have one of these travel mugs, they're good. Or if you have a typical water bottle, or I have this one that I got for Christmas one year that infuses fruit, which this is my favorite, and we'll talk more about that on a future episode. So even a plain glass, start your water intake today. Now, a lot of questions that I get are, how do I know how much this holds? If I want to use this, how much do I know it holds? It has no measurements on it. So what you can do is take a measuring cup, fill it full of water, pour it in there, and when you get to the level that you want, mark it with tape or with a Sharpie, and write how much it is. Like if this is 2 cups, and if I fill this and this is 2 cups, I'll mark right here where the line of water is, and I'll write 2 cups. You can do that. It's an easy way to do it. Maybe you don't want to write on your water bottle. Write it on a piece of paper and stick it to your fridge. Just an easy way to remember. And you can do that with all of these. If you have this one, you don't know how much it holds, fill it up and write it down on a piece of paper and stick it to the fridge. Easy way to remember. Now, the reason I'm going ones with lids on them is because the best trick I have found to drink at least, 2 cups of water or whatever this holds is to fill it up before I go out and run errands, so it goes in my car with me. And of course, a travel mug fits inside your cars really easily, really perfectly. You don't have to worry about it spilling. or a cup like this. It also fits really good in there. Now this one might be a little thin and it might flop around, but you know, if you had a koozie, you could put it in a koozie and then it would sit in the cup holder and wouldn't flop around. Same with this. This would fit into a koozie and then fit that into your car holder as well. But to make it easiest while you're running errands, just put it in a travel mug. It's made exactly for that. And by taking your water with you, not only are you getting your water, but you might be saving some money from skipping that Starbucks stop. Just saying. So anyway, I hope you're excited as I am about this new series, Water Buddies. I hope you'll join me in my Facebook group, Water Buddies. And yeah, let's just share. Let's cheer each other on to drink our water. Because I know you guys track it in your planners. I know, you track it maybe on your computer, on your phone. So let's just support each other. Let's help each other get from January all the way to December and have met our water goals. And along the way, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised some of the side effects of drinking water. You might find you're down a little bit in your weight or your inches. You might find that your skin looks so much better. You might find that your hair feels healthier. There's all sorts of benefits to drinking water. So I hope you'll join me on this, adventure I'm super excited about. So thanks for being here today and stay safe out there. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and that little bell because you want to know when the next episode of Water Buddies post. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.